I forgot this.
Okay,
Ah,
okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
yeah.
Anyway,
Oh,
we are into the introduction part only, so I hope we can manage it. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And आप लोगों ने मेरे को याद नहीं दिलाया, like we are not recording this, so
No, I
yeah.
was gonna मैं पूछने लगा था फिर मैं कहा शायद might be.
Okay. So into the like operations, what we have to manage, we have to manage the understanding and supporting of the investigations, requirement of who is logging, who is logging in, who is logging out, monitoring activities, right? And we have to secure the data. Then the one more important thing is the incident management. Guys, have you ever worked on the incident management?
Mhm.
Yes. Yes. I did,
Okay.
yeah.
P1, P2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Those incident and
Okay.
mitigation,
Do you know?
investigation of the
Yeah,
incidents.
yeah. Do you know what is disaster recovery?
Disaster recovery. Yes.
Yeah.
Means we have to set up some DR site, right? Parallelly.
Mhm.
If
Yeah.
our
Mhm.
primary site went down for some XYZ reason, right? In that case, we have to switch the operations to the DR site.
Correct.
And yeah, again, 13% will questions will comes from the security operations. Okay. And the last one, 10% comes from the software development security. Okay.
Mm.
So you have nothing to worry with that. You will get your developers, everything will be there, right? And they will
Yeah.
be involved to open the ports or the to secure that internal company applications from external threats or the external hackers or the attackers, right? So they will guide you eventually. So I am having do you know IT government site, guys?
Yeah. National cybersecurity, which is we followed IT governance for security plus NIST as well.
Guys, I'm testing you one IT governments which comes from the US side, right? And
Hmm.
whatever the percentage of the topics that comes into the examination, and guys, sorry, Nasir, who discussed with me earlier, Nasir or bro, you?
About what? Sorry.
No,
With
no.
regards to what?
About what? Sorry. On what? Sorry. Governance.
No, no. At the time of the enrollment, who called me?
Yeah. I call you. I call you.
Bro, just called me after that call, na? I have something to discuss with you, okay? And
Okay.
I have one of the absconding case in my current organization, right? So
Okay. Okay.
if you will fit over there,
Yeah. Yeah.
I will
Uh-huh.
help you. I will help you. Okay? And
Okay. That's
in this
good.
call, less than a minute is remaining. So
Okay.
uh, I'm uh, I'm just trying to copy paste that thing to you. And
Hmm.
if required, I will schedule one more call after this call. Okay?
Yeah. Sure. No problem. Anytime.
Okay, bro.